I am experimenting with another dump cobbler. I normally use white or yellow cake mix. I have a box of perfectly moist dark chocolate fudge cake mix. I'm going to use this instead of the white or yellow cake mix with 2 cans of cherry pie filling.
Oh boy.
And then I'll explain, once you get all that put together, you're going to need some brown sugar to sprinkle, a stick of butter to slice up for the top. And I will show you all that when I start going. But this is a totally different dump cobbler. I've never used any dark chocolate, just yellow or white cake mix. So this should be interesting. And
Yeah, Moose, are you excited? You want some?
Alright, we ready? I cheated. I bought the cans that, you just peel open. You're going to put your pie filling, whichever you choose, in first. That came out real nice. I'm going to set those in there so I still wore it. One can to me just isn't enough for the filling, so I always like to go a little extra. And they're all out. Okay. Now, let's see. I need a wooden spoon right there. I like to make it more even. That way, everybody gets a good bite. Smooth it out. And then, just for those getting ready for the holidays and don't know what to make, it's simple and easy. And you don't mix the cake mix, you just pour it over evenly. Oh yeah. Now I will even out the layer of the mix, but you don't mix it together. Just kind of make sure everybody's got some chocolate going on. And there's that. Now you get your stick of butter. I let mine soften a little bit so it's easier to slice. But I usually use the whole stick. You can use a half stick. It's whatever your preference is. Recipe, I think, calls for a full stick. And you just slice it. Oh, I might let it warm up too much. I imagine you could probably pre-slice and maybe throw in like a fridge to keep it nice and warm. I've never tried that method. I'm sure you could. But you need the butter on top. And you don't have to have a Dutch oven to do this. I have also made these in regular size cake pans. Okay, butter. Come on. There you go. Oop. I'll knock them down flat here when I get done, because the longer I hold it, the more it melts. But you get the general idea of how I'm putting the butter around. And then I'll just split this piece in half. Little one there. And one right there. Ta-da! Wipe my hands, because now I got butter all over. And then here's my brown sugar. Oh, I probably should have had this open. Oop. And then you just lightly sprinkle whatever your preference is. But that's the brown sugar. I'm going to put a little on the butter more. There we go. That is a dump cobbler. Like I said, this is an experiment with the chocolate cake mix. My oven is preheated. And there it goes. I got my lid on. I'm going to slap it in the oven. I'm going to check it in about 20 minutes because this cooks faster. This oven does. Alright. It's hot, hot, hot. Alright. In 20 minutes I'll check it and see if it's done. Each area you cooking is different, just like baking a regular cake. But let me put my mitt on. That was good. Oh yeah.
Are you checking it?
Yep, I'm gonna check it. It's been about 20 minutes.
I'm just checking it with you.
Yeah, I'm gonna set it on that top. Gotta have somewhere for the lid. Ooh, I don't think quite yet. But it's getting there. Smell it. We need smell-o-vision.
Huh?
Not quite. Not quite.
Okie dokie.
The butter will go in more. Alright. Alright, I'm going to let it go another maybe 10 minutes and I'll check it again. Smells good though. Here we go.
Yum yum.
Yep, it smells good. I can smell it. The butter needs to soak in a little more. Put it on too. Alrighty. Ooh, smell it?
Ooh, smell good.
Smell it.
Ooh, look at that. Yeah, I smell it. Can you all smell that? I smell it.
Cook it too much longer because start cooking to the side.
Yeah.
Okay, move that over.
Propane is a little warmer too.
Oh yeah.
Ooh, look at that.
It sounded like it just backfired at me. I think we're done.
Look at that.
I'm gonna let it cool.
Yeah.
So we're done. I'm gonna shut the oven off. Smell.
Mm-hmm.
Yum yum. And
Oh,
it's
boy.
all the butter except for a little few pieces, but I'm gonna let it set with the lid and it should finish baking itself. No more propane. So we're gonna do this. Make sure it's tight. There we go. It's done. Now we gotta let it cool. Ah, yeah, let it cool before we eat it.
What was that?
That's hot.
That's hot.
I thought it hot. Alright, it's done. We'll have to
Alrighty.
give you a taste sample in a few.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, Roy's my
Okey-doke.
taste sampler to see if it's good.
Alrighty. What you got there?
Oh, we're cutting into it.
Oh boy.
Let's see how
Look at Moosey. Moosey's like, I want some. Ooh,
yeah.
I see cherries. Ooh.
we're gonna do a little sample.
Little sample.
Yeah, because this is still very hot. But everything cooked in like I thought it would. With the lid on. Alright. Get that. Ooh. Yeah, it's still pretty hot. Bottom bowl's hot. Ooh, look at the steam. There you go.
Ooh. Oh. Look at
This is
that.
like I want to lick. You're not licking the
Moosey,
spoon.
go with them. Go with them. Go with them.
Yeah, I bet you he does. So, we're going to have to let it cool a little bit because it's still piping hot.
Yeah.
Put the lid. Yeah, I can't put the lid on either, buddy. Put the lid back on. There it goes. Back on. Let it cool off and let Roy do the first bite. See what he thinks. Hopefully it tastes as good as it looks. I'm a little nervous. Yep, Roy's getting ready to take a bite into this.
Oh, this is good. Remember in the store how I said chocolate syrup?
Mm-hmm. Don't
Not
need it?
needed. No.
Okay.
I thought maybe drizzled chocolate syrup on this. Not needed. This is good. Oh boy, this is good. Yes, I like this. Yum yum.
So, thumbs up for a mixture that I've never done before.
Look at that. It's kind of like chocolate covered cherries in a way, I guess,
Yep.
huh?
Alright, there you go. It is Roy approved.
But fudge, right?
Yeah, it's chocolate. Double chocolate fudge cake mix from Duncan Hines.
Very good.
So, alrighty, there you go. He doesn't seem to be minding eating in front of y'all, does he? Alright.
Y'all get your own.